Mars. I feel like my life has just been kind of all about my baby. That's all I can think about. That's all my mind is on. You would think that because I'm such a perfectionist and I'm always thinking, overthinking, that this big concert would be stressing me out, or I'm like, oh my gosh, I just want to get to that day. But all I can think about is my baby girl, and I'm like, I'm so happy she's here with me. I just play with her upstairs, I'm just I just want her to be happy, healthy. She had a fever actually the other day, so actually Mother's Day. So yeah, I feel like, it was mom mode for me. I was just taking care of her, loving her. She's been my main priority, so Risk It All has just been my song. And I actually sing that to her and she loves it. I think you guys have seen the video on Instagram maybe when she was singing along with me. Yeah, she's finding her voice. She might be a singer too, she's Filipino. So.